giblets. And then there's always a little fat thing here that just peels off. That's it. And then cold water. Now you just pat it dry. Now, I separate the skin from the breast.
Okay.
You can use a knife, but your finger works too.
Good. Alright, what are you doing that to put the spices in?
So then, I'll take my butter, rub it all over the chicken.
Okay.
This is going up his butt.
Up the butt.
Are you recording the word part? Like, yeah.
Lemon goes up there?
Yeah. You can throw all these scraps in there. Fold the wings behind his head.
Oh, that's tricky.
Then take this extra skin, cut a small hole. Okay?
Okay.
You're gonna take his leg from one side to the other.
Uh-huh.
Through this hole.
Both of them?
Now, this leg goes underneath that leg. And you don't have to tie it.
Oh, cool! Yummy.